I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 2 on your Mac, bringing this classic role-playing game to your modern computer. The most straightforward approach involves using the Fallout 2 Community Edition, which provides native compatibility. First, ensure you own a copy of Fallout 2. The GOG.com version is highly recommended for its ease of use. This community-driven project allows the game to run smoothly on both Apple Silicon and Intel Mac computers, offering an optimized experience without complex workarounds. Let's get started with the installation process. Setting up the Community Edition is quite simple. Begin by creating a new folder named Fallout 2 within your applications directory. Next, extract or copy all the game files from your GOG.com installation into this newly created folder. Then, download the Fallout 2 Community Edition application, which is specifically designed for Mac. Drag this application into your Fallout 2 folder. Once it's in place, simply double-click the Community Edition app to launch the game and begin your adventure in the wasteland. If the Community Edition isn't your preference, Porting Kit offers another fantastic way to play Fallout 2. This free application acts as a wrapper, using Wine to create a Windows-like environment for your game. After downloading and installing Porting Kit, open it and search for Fallout 2 in its extensive library. The program will then guide you through installing your GOG.com copy of the game, often optimizing settings automatically. This method is particularly effective for Apple Silicon Macs running macOS Sonoma or newer. To truly enhance your Fallout 2 experience, consider a few optimizations. First, adjust the game's resolution to a modern widescreen setting, like 1280 by 800 pixels, for a clearer picture. Many players also enjoy the Fallout 2 Restoration Project, a fan-made mod that adds cut content and fixes bugs. Additionally, tools like FO2 tweaks can introduce quality-of-life improvements. Finally, using a 2-button USB mouse with a scroll wheel will provide the most comfortable and precise control for navigating the wasteland.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.